Welcome to another digital no-brainer. In this video we're going to look at adding live chat to your website. Step 1. Pick a piece of software, and the recommended software from myself is Zendesk Chat. I'm going straight over to the screen. The reason I recommend that software is it's free. If you just have one license, any business can use live chat without paying a fee. And you would go through this process on the website, and I'll put a link in this video in the notes how to get the Zendesk Chat. You register your name, address, give some details, they send you a confirmation code. When you have that confirmation code, you will then get this script, this piece of code. I don't want you to worry about that. Basically, this will be cut and pasted by your developer, or yourself if you know how, and put between the header tags on your website. It's a 1 or 2 minute job. It shouldn't cost you any money. We are not going to use that method. We're going to use the plugins method, and we're going to show you how to add live chat in a much more simple way on WordPress or Shopify. If I come out of here and I go to my website, you will see that I don't have a live chat facility. If I go to here and search for plugins and search for Zendesk Chat, it will bring up this plugin which has been installed 90,000 plus times. Activate the plugin, and that will then put the Zendesk Chat item in your menu, in your dashboard. And as I've pre-registered my email address and password on Zendesk Chat, I can just put the password in, press the link up, and I am done. Okay, so if I go back to the website which didn't have live chat and I reload that page, you will see that now I do have live chat. Here it is. You can customize what your Zendesk chat box looks like, which I've already done, but you do that in the dashboard over here, and if I scroll down a little, I'll try to, and it's called widgets here. Widgets. I can make it look however I want it to look, my corporate brand, my logo. I'm going to show you how this works in practice. I use it on my phone, so I'm going to put the screen up from my telephone and show you how to do this. It's an iPhone, right? You go to the apps, add the plugin for Zendesk Chat, again search for that. I've already registered, click open, it says OK, what's your password? I will type it in again, 1, 2, 3, hashtag, sign in. Now I am live. That means I can speak to people on my website wherever I am. You might not want to do that, you might not be that keen, or you might want some time off, but I can do that. So, going back to the website screen, someone arrives on your website. They type in, hello, can I get some help? Right. Press return. Get an alert. If I go back to the telephone screen, you'll see my message now has actually flagged up. I click the message on my telephone, I join the chat, and say, you sure can. And you'll see back on the computer screen, we are in a live chat. So, how to add live chat to your website in less than 2 minutes. If you found this video useful, please do leave a thumbs up, that's very helpful to me. If you'd like to subscribe, I make videos like this on a regular basis, then that would be great too. Thanks for watching.